is an Uptown 6, train to 125th Street, 2 minutes away. There is an Uptown 6, train to 125th Street. Approaching the station.
The electronic strip maps are not in service. Please listen for announcements and watch the displays.
This is a 125th Street bound 6 local train.
The next stop is Wall Street.
This is a 125th Street bound 6 local train.
The next stop is Fulton Street. This is Fulton Street.
Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 trains.
This is a 125th Street bound 6 local train.
The next stop is Brooklyn Bridge City Hall.
The electronic strip maps are in service.
This is Brooklyn Bridge City Hall.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
This is a 125th Street bound 6 train.
Attention passengers, this is the 125th Street bound 6 train. All running on the local track on next to Avenue between Brooklyn Bridge City Hall and 125th Street in both directions because of lengthy models of Baran. There's a warning of Afghan Street, Space Street, Blicker Street, Astor Place, 14th Street, Union Square, 25th Street, 28th Street, 51st Street, Grand Central 42nd Street, 50th Street, 59th Street, 68th Street, Notre College, 77th Street, 86th Street, 96th Street, 105th Street, 110th Street, and 160th Street. All running off Baran, Canada Street, and 160th Street. This is a 125th Street bound 6 train. The next and last stop is 125th Street. Attention passengers, 4, 5, and 6 trains are running on the armed local track between Brooklyn Bridge City Hall and 125th Street in both directions because the London Muller second model of Baran. 4, 5, and 6 trains are not stopping at Canal Street, Space Street, Blicker Street, Astor Place, 40th Street, Union Square, 25th Street, 28th Street, 55th Street, Grand Central 42nd Street, 50th Street, 59th Street, 68th Street, College, 77th Street, 86th Street, 96th Street, 105th Street, 110th Street, and 160th Street. The next and last stop is 125th Street and 4, 5, and 6 streets all closed at Canal Street and 168th Street. The next and last stop is 125th Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, to maintain even spacing of trains, this train will be held in the station momentarily. Please be patient.
Stand clear of the closing door.
Ladies and gentlemen, after an earlier incident, trains are running at slower speeds. We apologize for any inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the unavoidable delay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're being held momentarily by the train's dispatcher. Please be patient. Ladies and gentlemen, to address necessary subway maintenance, a series of subway stations will be closed periodically throughout the year. This program is called Fast Track. During closures, alternative travel will be available at nearby stations. Visit mta.info or dial 511 for more details and travel information. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see someone at risk of falling onto the tracks, get help immediately. Alert a police officer, an MTA employee, or use a station customer assistance intercom. Ladies and gentlemen, the train crew is investigating an equipment problem. Thank you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, trains are running at slower speeds. We apologize for any inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, this train is being held momentarily. We apologize for any inconvenience. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
This is 125th Street. Transfer is available to the 4 train.
Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport.
Connection is available to Metro North.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. All persons must leave the train and follow the instructions from the train crew for further service. Ladies and gentlemen, because of construction, this is the last stop. Please follow the instructions from the train crew.
Actually, this is the last time on this train, and when they get to Brooklyn, just go across the platform to a 405 train, take that train to Fulton, and you can find Brooklyn down on 2 or 3 train. Once again, 405 trains are not going to Brooklyn this weekend. This is the last stop. Stay